Hello, so at this point, you should have watched the video that is attached that shows a real life Rube Goldberg machine, and then also should have looked over the project rubric. If you're absent today, you're still part of the project. We'll have you join a group when I see you on Thursday or Friday. And if you're quarantined, as long as you're still quarantined just for today, then I'll see you Thursday, Friday, and we'll have you join a group. If you're currently quarantined or you're absent both Tuesday, Wednesday, as well as Thursday, Friday, then I will have an alternative assignment for you. So send me an email and I will explain that alternative assignment for you. But anyways, so Rube Goldberg machine is a machine that completes a simple task but in a complex way. And your challenge is to design a Rube Goldberg machine that is themed around a task. You need to have 3 of the 6 simple machines. So part of your work today is researching, refamiliarizing yourselves with what those 6 simple machines are, what do they look like, what are some everyday examples that you could use in class, and then 4 different types of energy transformations. So the video posted is an example, of course, of one that's fairly complex. These were some of the examples, though, that I was going to show in class today that you're missing. So this example here is one that is themed around food. And so their job or their task was to serve breakfast. And so they had in this little bowl here some baking soda and vinegar. So they were creating chemical energy essentially, and had up here a lever that they used to initially spill. I believe they had in here like a marble. Marbles went down the inclined plane, and then they had another lever that was here. One side was holding the baking soda, and then the other side was a little cup. And so the marble went in, spilled the baking soda into the vinegar here, and it made a little chemical reaction. And so within this simple machine, they had their inclined plane, they had their lever, and there was a car here at one point. I don't have all the pieces, people take them home, but that was their wheel and axle. And they had chemical energy for their simple machine. So you can see there's magnets on here that's holding this together. So they had magnetic energy, kinetic energy, things were moving around, and gravitational potential energy. They used that to make things fall. Over here, this one was themed Bump in the Night. Again, this one is not working either because people do take stuff home. But this one here, their simple task was they have some electrical wiring here, little buzzer at the bottom. And so their job was to turn on the buzzer that made kind of a annoying little noise here. So they dropped a marble down this tube. This tube here acts as a lever. The marble went down an inclined plane. They have a bunch of screws attached here. They had a screw here that they used to start this. So they unscrewed this little hook from this board. So the screw was their third simple machine. And then energy transformations, they have electrical energy, kinetic energy, things are moving around, sound energy with this buzzer going off, gravitational potential energy. So just a creative use. They actually had magnets in here too, so they took the challenge to have all of the energy transformations that were listed. So your job is to come up with some ideas that you would want to share with your group. When you join your group Thursday and Friday, you might want to email people that you know, or text people that you know in the class to see if any groups will claim you. But feel free to email me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I'll see you Thursday or Friday here, hopefully with some great ideas that we can run through together real quick so you can start building right away.